Nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you.
And we are very welcome to receive your visit to our factory today. And the first question that I want to ask you about is that what do you think of our factory?
It's good.
It's good?
Yeah, it's more than my expectation. I like it very much.
You like it very much?
Yeah.
Okay.
And inshallah, we will be customers and I will buy things for my future. I will recommend my friends too.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. We are also looking forward to your second visit to our factory in the future. And another question that I want to ask you is that what do you think of all the machines that today we showed you? What do you think of these machines?
I think this will create a future as your slogan. I like it very much.
Yeah.
It seems it is modern. Inshallah, we will work together.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, and today we have our customer from Ethiopia who visited our factory, and we showed him our machines and the whole factories and our company. And our customer is very content, satisfied with our products and looking for a second visit in our factory in the future. And the DXTECH company always offers best service and best products for our customers. So we also welcome customers from all over the world to visit our company. Thank you.